Hello, and welcome to the Learning Resource Center's Writing Center. This video will walk you through the process of registering for a drop-in appointment. First, navigate to csun.campus.eab and log in with your CSUN credentials. Click the blue Schedule Appointment or View Drop-in Availability button on the top right. Over here on the left side is where you can make a scheduled appointment, but sometimes there are no appointments available, or you may have already used your one scheduled appointment this week and want to be seen again. In that case, click View Drop-In Times on the right. Since drop-ins are 30 minutes, set the requested time to 30 and then click Find Available Time. If you want to request a specific consultant, you may do so on the left side, but for the best chance of being seen, please click LRC Upper Division Writing Center and then check in with First Available. You will be added to every available consultant's drop-in list. While we do our best to accommodate all students, drop-ins are not guaranteed, and you may need to wait for some time. You can click Home to verify that you are checked in for a drop-in appointment. If a consultant is available, they will message you using EAB. Be sure that you're checking your CSUN email. You can also check your EAB messages by clicking the envelope in the top left. Any available consultants will message you with their Zoom room link. Click the link to connect with your consultant via Zoom and get started. Please note that drop-ins are not guaranteed, and you may need to wait for some time before a consultant is available. If you do not proceed to the consultant's Zoom room in a timely manner, the drop-in will be offered to the next student. Please email onlinelrc@csun.edu with any questions. Thank you.